G'day all. Well, since Windows 7 support ended, I have decided to jump ship to something that's not Microsoft for internet access. So yeah, I'm using Linux Mint on a desktop computer. I'm still going to keep using Windows 7. I'm still going to keep using Windows 7 on for YouTube, just not on the internet. And I'd normally be using Windows 7 now, but I'm booted into Linux just to discuss something rather interesting that I found out that affects both Windows and Linux. So what I found out is that the instability, which I initially thought was RAM, seems to be affecting both Linux and, obviously, as I've shown before, Windows. Linux doesn't really crash per se. Instead, just the whole computer locks up. So yeah, something's definitely wrong. At this point, I've stuck new RAM in there 3 or 4 times and hasn't solved anything. I suppose next suspect is overclocking, because I'm not running my CPU at stock because it's a K series CPU. So I've overclocked it because it's got a unlocked clock multiplier. So I have also adjusted the V-core voltage up accordingly to keep things stable. I do have adequate cooling to handle that. I'll do another video at some point showing the whole setup and everything, but that's for a later date. So if it's not overclocking, then, well, the only other thing to suspect is the power supply, really, because it's not SSD, I know that. It doesn't seem to be RAM, because I've replaced the RAM several times. So CPU overclocking is suspect. I'll try putting it back to stock and see what it does. And yeah, if I still have problems, then yeah, well, the only thing to check is the power supply, because I do know that failing power supplies can cause sort of erratic behaviour in computers. So yeah, I suppose we'll see. We'll see what happens when I reduce my underclock, or set my clock back to stock frequency. Other than that, the other thing I can really do is replace the power supply if it still turns out to be unstable after I've put the CPU back to stock. So yeah, that's really just about it for today. Yeah, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.